Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the Pink Panther Blu-ray DVD. Don't know what's going on with my camera, but for some reason this memory card is designed to have its little episode problems. So, wow, you actually get 3 DVDs in here? Stuff? What the heck do we get? So we get something like this. Transferring to a Mac, transferring to a PC. What? Insert a digital copy disc into your PC CD drive and click on the transfer digital copy button from the menu. Follow the easy to use on-screen instructions to transfer your copy to either your PC or for sure compatible, play for sure compatible device. Okay, that's worded really oddly right there. Anyway, or to iTunes and your video-enabled iPod iPhone. So what? And then there's a serial number here. Right there. So it does say includes a portable digital copy of the Pink Panther 2. Well, isn't all digital copies pretty much portable? I mean, you're going to have your cell phone, your iPad, your tablet, your laptop, you know. So I don't get that. Some more DVDs and stuff. Well, yeah, I really have no idea what this is. This is kind of useless. But, yeah, there's that. So we do get the, come on, turn it the right way. The Pink Panther 2 Blu-ray disc. We also get the Pink Panther 2 digital copy. And then a bonus disc. 27 classic Pink Panther cartoons on the bonus disc. So if you like the original Pink Panther cartoons, they got you covered there, which is really super nice of them. But yeah, this is weird. I mean, instead of having, like how he's saying with other things, it says includes, your hard disk copy, either DVD or Blu-ray, but it also includes, a digital copy. No. And then usually, the digital copy is just put up on a little piece of paper. You go to the website, punch in a code. There you go. You got your movie on your digital stuff, right? No, this is weird. You have to take this hard disk copy, not this one, but this one, a hard disk, put it into your computer, go to the website, punch in the code number on here to then get the digital copy, which does not make any freaking sense at all, people. I mean, just take the digital copy, convert it into a code, go to a website, put in the code like how you've seen with, like here, like this says, Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code. And let me kind of show you this. Like right here, they didn't tell you how to go to WB.com/redeem movie and